How's it going, Twitter? It is hot. Can't believe how much these full season beans have dropped their leaves here in the last couple days. And what's really cool, we're in the 3.9s here, the most mature beans in the plot. Look at all this fodder down here. This is all the weight that's fell off of these beans here in the last few days, and it's really helped these beans that were really lodging to start to prop back up. So that'll help with harvest, and we're starting to really see what we got. So we're cheating in many ways out here. You can see our hog barns. This had 3 consecutive years of corn. So we get a little yield bump from that. You kind of get some of the nematodes and the bugs and kind of that pressure out of the equation. That's the beginning of my extend plot. So I want to show you one thing here. Got different experiments. Our commercial beans here had the normal 2 foliar feed program. I Y dropped this right here. You can see the line right here. This had half thiosulfate, half 28. You can really see the difference there, especially on the other side of the sun. We'll weigh both sides of this to segregate that one variable. I'm guessing that's going to be at least worth 6 bushel. Okay, so get into our 3.9s here. No, this is just over the top. You know, I really think the undercover, I like that product, but 30 inches, I think it works well. These are 20-inch beans. I think I could get in between there, but I'm a big fan of R3 to R5, doing my really high management, and I have a tough time getting Y drops in them. So I don't know how they might glide a little bit easier. So we transition to 3/8. These are the most lodgy beans in the plot. If I'm gonna grow these on this high fertility ground, I need to be looking at dropping probably 80,000 for them to be able to stand up. I still think they'll do pretty well. They're starting to raise back up, getting rid of that weight. Kind of in a really lodgy bean here, these 3/6s. I think this is more of a rougher bean. It really puts the height on there. Pretty picture though, isn't it? So the winners are going to be between those 3.9s, that first entry, and these 3.5s. Pretty incredible pod set. I'm seeing anywhere between 70 and 90 pods on this bean. You know, the biggest part of your formula for yield isn't the count, it's the size. And that's why that late season health is so important, in my opinion. We get into 3.3s right here. Really like the architecture of this bean. You see we're getting down to about hip high to the best part. You can really push a bean like this. Nodes are a little bit closer together, and I actually like green stems like this. That means we're still pumping some protein in there. 3.1s, we've had, you can see the weeds we got in here. We've had some establishment issues. We had a real wet year, and I don't believe in spraying herbicide when we start reproduction. So no stand, we start getting some weed pressure. Just live with it. And this is going to surprise me. These 2/8 have a chance of winning. And look at these clusters we're getting up top on these top nodes. Seen a lot of 8 or 10 pods on these top nodes on these guys. So we're probably 2 days away from harvest. Get this off and we'll hit the corn plot next week. But thanks for watching.